Okay, let's have a little chat about my next workshop, recreating secure attachment. Well, really, it's gonna be a workshop where we just get to explore a little bit these moments where we maybe need to take from the outside in order to feel whole. Particularly, like habits and addictions can serve in this manner. Even positive habits, just like going to the gym all the time or keeping ourselves very, very busy and productive. Oh, look at this little one. She's looking for attachment. So, yeah, we're going to explore together the balance of what is actual secure attachment in our own body, what beliefs actually nurture secure attachment, and maybe having a look what beliefs we may be running unconsciously that support us on a daily basis through internal dialogue to actually feel not securely attached. So yeah, it is a self-exploration. There's exercises for yourself, exercises with partners in groups, and I find it really valuable, this work. It's definitely helped me so much to just start to feel really fine on my own and then share myself from a place of real ease and generosity and sensitivity and boundaries. So yeah, very warmly welcome to join us on July, I think the 27th, for the day workshop directly followed by the Tantra Touch Temple. Recreating secure attachment, exploration of your own inner world and your relationships inside and out.